Hello everyone, this is Christy. Today I'm going to show you my haul from Dollar Tree, and I bought a lot of stuff from the craft square section. First, I'm going to show you what I bought that I already have. It's a double, but that will go for a giveaway that I'm going to make when I reach 60,000 subscribers. So if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe to my channel, and I will announce the giveaway when I'm passing the 59,000 subscribers. So I'm almost to the 60, so I'll give you time to keep subscribing to my channel. Now let me show you what I have. I bought some craft tools, like for example, this one is glue and residue eraser. This is very good. Then I noticed that almost all of the Dollar Tree here in California, they have these tools back. And I'm going to buy one of these. I thought I have one extra. This is mine. And I will get one of these, the hook. See, I thought I had one, but no. So I need to buy that to complete the set of these kind of tools. And this one is going to be very useful for the winter. Then the stamps are back. I saw all the stamps stock on the sticker section. So if you are looking for stamps, go to the sticker section and they will be in there. See, like this one, for example. Now, I'm going to show you something that I just found yesterday. I went to Dollar Tree very late when they almost closing, and I found dies. They are back. I only found these designs, so the dies are back. Yay! If you didn't get one, now look at the dies. They will be in the tool section, or maybe with the stickers. I found these ones in the tool section. So see, and there's supposed to be like more designs. I think like about 6 designs, but I found only these 4. So I grabbed them and that will go for the giveaway. But check it out, because dies are back at Dollar Tree. See? And I also got one of these small mats. So all of these are the prices for my 60,000 giveaway, and I'm adding, and I'm going to make a box that it's full of stuff for the giveaway. And I also grabbed these kind of embellishments. They are plenty at any store. See, this one that says memory, and it has 3 pieces. So I got this one that says memory, family. These are chipboard pieces. You can paint them. You can decorate them with metallic paint or any other color, and then they can be very nice for titles of your mini albums or for cards. See? Then this one that says cherish, and this one that says celebrate. See? So I just got words, and there are lots of designs like hearts, flowers, and many more things. I'm going to put this one away because this is for the giveaway, and I'm going to show you my haul. I found this pom-pom trim that I can use like for to decorate any alteration things or for mini albums. I think this one I can use it at any time of the year, and I grabbed those. Then I found new items, like for example these bamboo rings, and these are like embroidery hoops. These are the sizes. And in that section I also found this one that says embroidery needle bundle, and it's like a pink cushion. See, and there were different colors, as you can see right here, and I like this one, so I got one of these. Then they also had these glitter patches, and as you can see right here, this is how it looks. And these one are for iron on, so you can cut this one with your Cricut or maybe with dies, and you can iron on to embellish anything. And right here it has the instructions on how to use it. As you can see right here, they also have elastic and different colors, and also needles, 2 sets of different kinds of needles. So if you need those to complete your sewing tools, You can check it out for the new sewing items that you're going to get at Dollar Tree. I also found these patches, and as you can see, there are different designs that you can buy, and that's in the crafting section. And they have these patterns that are new to the store. And as you can see, it has like an apron, a tote, and also a bear that you can make with any fabric. Then I found something that I never seen before at the other Dollar Trees in my area. I found t-shirts. Look, I'm going to use them as a blanks to iron on. And this brand is Comfort Wash, and it's 100% cotton. And look, this color is nice. And the only thing is that they didn't have sizes. All of them were small only. I just grabbed one to use it for ironing. Then I found this one. And this one says ladies tee. And it says 2X, but it was small. It's not too big. And right here says American Apparel. And this one is 100% cotton too. And it's round neck, as you can see. It looks like a large only. It doesn't look like a 2X. So, but it's nice for $1.25. Then I found this one right here. That is similar to the other one, but it's a different brand. This one is Anvil. And this one is 90% cotton and 10% polyester. And it looks like this with a V-neck. I can use it for my project. And then the last one that I got is this one. It's a round neck. And this one says XL. And it says ladies tee. And right here is the same American Apparel. But this one is 100% cotton. And they had a lot more, but there were different sizes that I don't need. And as I said, the store was closing and I couldn't record that part. Then I also got new colors in the vinyl section. And for example, this one is permanent, but it's glitter. And look, this is a very nice color. Then I got this one that is permanent, and look, it's a nice blue, so you can use for anything. Then I already had this one. It's pink, and it's a very nice color of pink. Then I grabbed this one that is hot pink. It's in glitter. And they have a lot more colors, but I just picked this one that is a soft pink. See, and this one is permanent as well. Then this one, I just grabbed the ones that I can use. And then black, that is permanent. See? And I got one of the transfer tape too. And it's this one right here. Now I'm going to show you one more item that I got in my prior trip, and I already put this one on a video. These are hair jewelry, and I really love these little flowers to embellish anything. And right here it has an elastic, and it's for the hair, but I noticed that each flower is glued right here, so we can cut them in pieces. And I'm going to show you now that this one can be cut in pieces. Look, and you can have like this little flower to embellish any project. Look how cute is this. It has some bling all around, and then you can cut this one with the leaves. See, you can cut them like this, and you can have a beautiful embellishment. See, so that's an idea, and this is new. I didn't see it before, and they have it in pink, blue, and also in black. I hope this video helps you to find new items at your store, because sometimes if we're not aware, we don't look very well. And let me know in the comments if you found any of these, and tell us what state are you in. For example, this one, all this stuff are coming up to California. I don't know if in other states they already are there or they are going to come. I don't know. But that would be helpful for people who read the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for the next giveaway. Thank you very much for watching my videos, for your likes, your comments, and for subscribing to my channel. Have a blessed day, everyone. Bye-bye.